The Oppo Find X2 Pro didn't make it to the Indian market after all the hype. Instead, the company introduced the Find X2, a trimmed down version of the Pro variant with some noticeable differences in the camera hardware and built-in storage. The Find X2 is priced at whopping Rs 64,990. With better camera hardware and double the storage, the Find X2 Pro would have easily cost Rs 75,000 if the company ever plans to launch the handset in India. Nevertheless, here we have the smartphone, so let's get started with our review. So guys, here we have the special package from Oppo with the Find X2 Pro. The first thing that you will find in the box is a letter which talks about the flagship Find X series, the product's manual and a special protective case for the Find X2 Pro. And at last we have the Oppo Find X2 Pro's retail packaging. Let's quickly open it up to check the box contents.
We have also got this Oppo Find X2 Pro protective case, and let me tell you that this is not included in the packaging. You have to buy it separately, and as per the box, this is priced at rupees 2,000 rupees. But you get this case in the box, which is a very normal looking case that you get with almost every budget smartphone in the Indian market. I think Oppo should have included this premium case for the consumers as an additional accessory, but we can say so. Let me just strap it on the handset and let me show you how it looks. So this is how this smartphone looks like once you strap it on. Once you strap the case on this beautiful handset, and this is a carbon fiber finish. And the texture feels really good in hands. Plus, you can also see the bulky camera module on this top left corner, and we also have this Oppo branding on the casing. So overall, I would say that the case feels really premium, but Oppo should have included this in the packaging.
The Oppo Find X2 Pro is a stunner in terms of design, but is also pretty hefty and not an ideal fit for one-hand use. The ceramic version that we have got to test weighs 217 grams and has a thickness of 8.8 millimeters, making it heavier and bulkier than the Mi 10 5G and the OnePlus 8 Pro. The bottom of the device offers the Type-C port, speaker grill, microphone and the SIM card tray. The right side of the device offers the power button, and the volume rockers are placed on the left hand side of the product. All these buttons offer excellent feedback. The Oppo Find X2 Pro lacks wireless charging, which is a bummer considering the expensive price point. However, the smartphone does get IP68 certification for protection against water and dust. The Oppo Find X2 Pro offers one of the best display on a smartphone. Like the OnePlus 8 Pro, the Find X2 Pro also flaunts a curved 6.78 inches Quad HD Plus AMOLED panel with fluid 120Hz refresh rate. It's essentially the same Quad HD Plus panel with slightly different color calibration settings. The Quad HD Plus screen offers an impressive pixel density of 513 ppi and a peak screen brightness of up to 1200 nits. You can run the 10-bit display at 120Hz refresh rate with max Quad HD Plus resolution, something even the latest Galaxy S20 series cannot do. The display has 240Hz high touch sampling rate, which means it is extremely responsive. The UI navigation and scrolling web pages and Facebook or Instagram timeline is a sheer joy. The display settings offers plethora of customization options to choose from to match your color preference. However, the layout is slightly confusing. We liked how OnePlus has simplified the display settings to derive the best possible color output. Nevertheless, we are here to help you find the best color output settings for your Find X2 Pro. You should enable the nature tone display toggle and set the color mode to cinematic for DCI P3 output for the most realistic color output on the Find X2 Pro. Moving on, you can also enable the Ultra Vision engine for smoother video playback. It boosts the frame rates from 30 fps to 120 fps, widens the color gamut, and also enhances the clarity for surreal video playback experience. We found the feature quite effective on the Find X2 Pro while streaming content on Prime Videos and Netflix. The OnePlus 8 Pro also offered the same MEMC technology with the name Motion Smoothing in the display settings. The Find X2 Pro packs a feature-rich camera setup which also reminds us of the OnePlus 8 Pro's camera hardware minus the far-field zoom capability. The smartphone features a triple-lens camera module featuring a 48-megapixel quad-pair primary sensor with f1.7 aperture lens. The OIS-enabled lens uses the latest Sony IMX689 sensor which can also be seen on the OnePlus 8 Pro. The primary camera is paired with a 48-megapixel f2.2 wide-angle lens and a 13-megapixel f3.0 telephoto sensor. All three lenses support face detection autofocus and the camera can record 4K videos at 60 fps with HDR video recording maxing at 4K 30 fps. The camera captures crisp images with true to eye colors and good contrast level. The same is also true for the video recording. The 1080p 60 fps and 4K videos at 30 fps and 60 fps show realistic colors, crisp details, and well-preserved highlights and shadows. Due to larger physical primary sensor, the Find X2 Pro also captures well-lit shots in challenging light conditions. The Find X2 Pro boasts a periscope module to achieve far-field zoom. I have tested the Reno 10X and can say that the Find X2 Pro brings significant improvements in terms of image quality. The 5x zoom optical shots are as crisp as pictures shot in standard 1x zoom. The 10x hybrid zoom shots are also very much usable and can be posted on social media platform with little post processing. You can keep zooming in all the way to 60x, but the image quality starts deteriorating as detailing takes a hit and noise also becomes quite evident. Overall, the Find X2 Pro offers one of the best camera hardware and performance in its respective price point. With the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 running the show along with whopping 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and massive 512GB of UFS 3.0 built-in storage, the Find X2 Pro has got you covered. These are simply the best specifications you can find today in the market. That being said, the Find X2 Pro feels blazing fast and not for once showed any lags during our testing duration. Applications load instantly and the UI navigation is buttery smooth. Thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate panel and highly optimized Color OS 7.1. You can play the most popular game titles on the Find X2 Pro without worrying about any performance issues. The Adreno 650 GPU ensures smooth gameplay and vivid graphics on the massive Quad HD Plus panel. I also did not experience any heating issues on the handset. The Find X2 Pro features an in-screen fingerprint scanner and a software-driven face unlock. Both are extremely fast and unlock the device in a blink of an eye. If there is any custom Android skin which has made some significant improvements visually and functionally, it has to be the Color OS. The Find X2 Pro runs on the Color OS 7.1 based on Android 10. It is smooth, offers plenty of customizations and useful features like app cloner, 3-finger split screen, native screen recorder, smart sidebar, game mode, assistive wall, and a lot more. The Find X2 Pro's fast charging technology and speed is unmatched by the competition and even by the most premium smartphones in the market. The smartphone ships with a 65-watt bundled fast charger which recharges the modest 4260 mAh battery cell from 0 to 100% in less than 40 minutes. However, it does warm the device at the back panel, but Oppo mentions that the 65-watt SuperVOOC 2.0 flash charging technology is safe to use and will not cause any damage to the battery cell. However, only a long-term review can give better insights about the effect of the technology on the battery life of the smartphone. And as far as battery backup is concerned, the smartphone can last you a day with moderate usage when the screen is set to run at 120Hz refresh rate with 1080p resolution. The Quad HD Plus resolution takes a noticeable toll on the battery life at higher refresh rate. So guys, overall the Find X2 Pro is easily one of the best flagship smartphone we have tested in the year 2020. It's sad to find out that the company might never launch this handset in the Indian market. Thankfully, you have the option to purchase the Find X2, which offers the same design, same Quad HD Plus OLED screen, power pack performance, a different but capable camera setup, crazy fast 65-watt fast charging and smooth software experience. It is priced at Rs 64,990. If you don't want to spend a fortune on an Oppo device, the OnePlus 8 Pro is a great option. Some other flagship devices that you can consider are the OnePlus 8, Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 Plus and the Xiaomi Mi 10 5G. Let us know what you think about this video and the Oppo Find X2 Pro, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos in the world of technology.